name is Destiny. If you're new to my channel, please do well to subscribe. We did previously on our invisible zip fixing to our senator pipe neck. So this is another format to put your invisible zip. It's for senator as well, also for your gown and other clothes you might be needing a visible zip for. So in this very process, the zip should be hidden. Okay, the one we did previously, the zip wasn't hidden. Okay, so this is the clear format on how to go about your invisible zip. So this zipper now, if you check it very well, this is the downside and this is the upper side. Okay, we want this to hide. So right now we have to open it right now. So it's open now. So one thing you should understand is that this zipper, in order for you to make it hide, you have to know the secret of this zip. So if you look very closely, you see it has a shape. Okay, it has another line inside, of which you can turn over like this. You can see clearly. Okay, so this is the place you make your sewing. It has been already arranged, so your needle should go through here. That's how to fix it. Okay, but if it's this way, once you run on top like this, you can't hide it. Okay, it's not hidden. So this one, as you can see, is open. All right, with like this, if you run inside here now, the zip will be hidden. So let's do some practice on it. Okay, so before I fix it, it should be open. Okay, because if it's closed, I can still get it. Okay, it will be very difficult. Right, so I will have to open right now. Okay, so let me turn over now. This is the fabric I'll be using. Okay, so as you can see, I've already ironed it. Okay, because I will need to go through the line, but if you can still iron it, it's okay. All right, okay, let me just do some practical here now. Let me just use this other side. All right, so this is it. I've opened it already. So this one should be coming down this way. Okay, just like here, this one. Okay, just like this. It should place on top like this. All right, okay, so once you open, you see this way. Okay, so let me go down to it now. As you can see, I've placed it on top now, so I'll have to push it open. All right, so let me make the stitching. Okay, so I'll have to open it right now. Okay, okay, so I'll have to sew it down. Okay, I'll still be opening it. Okay, you still need to open just like this very well. So you should be very careful with this. Okay, so you won't stitch the zipper thread. Okay, okay, I'll stop here. So let me show you what we have now. So if you look closely, okay, you can't see the thread because it's black. So let me turn over now. Do you see what we have here now? Okay, so let me fix the other side as well. Okay, all right, this is it. Okay, I've done that as well. So let's see what we have here now. Okay, so I'll have to zip up right now. Wow, as you can see, our zipper is hidden. So I will just go now and iron it very well. So with this way, you can be able to fix your zipper to any fabric at all. Invisible zip to your senators. Okay, so you can see, you open it very well. So once you leave it, it will see close back like this. So that's how to go about your invisible zipper fixing. Okay. If you still want me to clear you more on how to put it on your senator neck, you can as well leave a comment. I will still make a video on it. If you didn't see you understand it very well. Okay, there's an easy way for you to make this. So I believe this way you can be able to do yours. Alright. So if you're new to my channel, I believe you to subscribe and click the notification bell to turn on your notification to get more videos, more quality videos. And if you like this very video, please share the good news and invite friends. Okay, subscribe and wait to more videos. Thank you.